Hey, what's up, y'all? Man, I hate to stay on these celebrities, but tonight we got Leonardo DiCaprio. Man, he's on one. If y'all don't know who he is, he's from the Titanic and Killers of the Flower Moon, I believe was his last one. I heard it was pretty good. I really don't know. He does have some pretty good movies though for the past. He goes on to say talk about the hurricanes, the two back-to-back hurricanes that hit Florida, North Carolina, and everything else that laid in its way. And he has a reason for that. He does. He's dead set. He's like, he knows why this happened. And he's got someone to blame. That man's name is Donald Trump. He claims that he did not take climate change serious enough during his 4 years of being president. Okay. All right, so let's just add up the last 16 years. 16 years with the man in charge, the Republican or Democrat, and for 12 years it's been Democrats that lead the way on climate change, stopping that shit from happening, which is all fucking bullshit. But so in that 4 years, is Donald Trump's fault? I wonder how much. He don't need money. That dude don't need freaking money. So it's like, what is his purpose? He needs to go back over to his and go pray to his Scientology priest and pray to him for guidance or something. Or go pray to his freaking devil. Because that's all those people are. Is Satanists. Raping people and shit. Fucking Scientology. These people are sick. They are freaking sick. The worst thing that if somebody does something, the worst thing that they could do is not accept responsibility for themselves. That's it. If you can never take responsibility for your actions, you will never grow as a human being. It's the same as not being able to forgive someone else for something that they've done to you. It's basically the same thing, just worded differently. You cannot move on. That's the thing that this administration is not going to be able to do, is accept responsibility and say, hey, we was wrong. We tried it this way. We thought it would work. And it didn't. It didn't. So we're going to, okay, y'all give it a try y'all way. You know? Y'all give it a try Yahweh. I don't know if anybody caught that. But Yahweh is our God. We will see November 5th. We're going to find out Donald Trump will be our next president of the United States, number 47. Donald John Trump, a.k.a. Captain America. Love y'all. Y'all take it easy.